U.S. Government Week 1, Thursday, Friday, August 9 through 10 lesson. Vocabulary Preview. The first vocab word is concurrent power. These are powers shared by the federal and state governments. These powers include the ability to make laws, roads, defense, parks, and enforcement for police, prisons, health, and environment, to name a few. Second word, enumerated powers. Powers of the federal government that are specifically addressed in the Constitution. These are the opposite of implied powers. Implied power. Powers of the federal government that go beyond those enumerated in the Constitution. These are powers not directly stated in the Constitution. Delegated powers. Powers granted to the national government as stated in the Constitution. The 3/5 Compromise. A compromise between southern and northern states reached in 1787, where 3/5 of the slave population would be counted in the general population to decide how to distribute taxes and the apportionment of members of the United States House of Representatives. Separation of powers. Each of the three branches of government, executive, legislative, and judicial, is relatively independent of the others so that one cannot control the other. Great Compromise. A two-house legislature consisting of a Senate and a House of Representatives. The Senate would have an equal number of representatives from each state. This would satisfy the states with smaller populations. The House of Representatives would include one representative for each 30,000 individuals in a state. This made states happy this pleased states with larger populations. Ratification. The process of approving a bill into law. Articles of Confederation. The first Constitution of the United States, where most authority stayed with the state legislation. Bill of Rights. The first 10 amendments of the U.S. Constitution. These amendments define basic liberties such as the right to free speech, press, and religion. Democracy. A system of selecting policymakers and of organizing government so that policy represents and responds to the public's preferences. Republic. A form of government that derives its power, directly or indirectly, from the people. Government. The institution and processes through which public policies are made for society. Constitutional. Relating to the nation's basic law. Federalism. A way of organizing a nation so that two levels of government have formal authority over the same land and people.